Hi, let me show you how to open a TIOmarkets copy trading account, so you can start following other traders. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your TIOmarkets account. Step 2. Click on Open Live Account. Step 3. Select Copy Trading from the available account types and configure your account. Ensure that you have selected the copy trading account type, check the terms and conditions, then click the Open Live Account button. The login details for the copy trading account will be sent to you by email. Step 4. Check your email for the login details. Step 5. Return to your TIOmarkets client portal and select Copy Trading. Check the strategy providers and find one to copy. Step 6. Click Login. Step 7. Select Register as a follower and enter your copy trading account credentials from the email. You will need to choose one of the strategies from this list. If you already have a strategy in mind, you can search for it here, but if you haven't decided yet, select any one of them. Because you will not start copying a strategy provider until you activate it. We will show you how to do this in a later step. Then click Register. Step 8. Go to Ratings to find more strategy providers, see their profiles and offers. Step 9. Once you have decided who to copy, click Invest to create a new subscription. Step 10. Activate copy trading. To do this, go to My Portfolio, locate the strategy you have subscribed to, enter the strategy details by clicking on the arrows on the right and enable Copy New Positions. Now when the strategy provider starts opening new positions, they will be copied to your trading account. That's it, you are now copy trading. Good luck.